Hi guys, good morning. So let us see what is today's universal law. Today's universal law is law of synthesis. The will aspect, one of the three major laws. Although this law is almost impossible for any but the Buddhic faculty to understand. It is sum total, the center and the periphery and the circle of manifestation regarded as unit. This law economy is transcended. Okay, from this law, what we understand is law of synthesis means actually for manifestation there is many law involved. First is law of assumption. Then we assume things now, whatever we want future outcome, we assume that as if it is happening now itself. Now, so law of assumption, then law of cyclic patterns. So we keep on repeating and visualizing that same visualizations now. So that and same way law of vibration and law of attraction. So all these law of detachment, so many laws are involved and they work together for manifestation. And so during the manifestation there are so many in the energy field you create now for manifestation. You tell your dreams to your heart, and from that heart it keeps on producing an energy field that is called magnetic field, and the energy field which is created in the brain as visuals now, that is electric field. So these both combined together is electromagnetic field, isn't it? That is how things get manifested. So in both these things definitely there is that is atomic particles and the energy field around it. So we call that particles, it has a center as well as periphery. So how that energy field I'm telling, so that energy field as well as atoms, everything has that center and periphery. So the total, complete total is called the energetic field, isn't it? So this law of synthesis means, so all the laws involved and all the components involved which work together as one component, and it helps in manifestation. So this energy is universe economy. Okay, in earth we have money as economy, but money is also an energy. So in universe it will be in its pure form only now. So in universe actually energy is economy. So this economy is transcendent. So transcendent means energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Energy is there, but this energy can be transformed from one form to other form. So when it is transcended only in this 3D plane, it is called transformation. When it is go to upper planes, 3D to 5D, 5D to 7D, it is called transcendation. So when the dimension changes and density also changes, this transformation itself is called transcendation. Okay, this is law of synthesis.